Welcome to the new AI automation tutorials. Visit the GitHub page and follow the instructions along with me. Check the video description for all required links. I'm installing on Docker inside my cloud server. You can try on your local computer with Docker desktop. Copy this command to clone the GitHub repository and you will be inside the directory. Now copy and paste this command to rename the .env file. Type nano space .env to edit the env file. Copy OpenAI API key. If you don't have, visit the link and create an account to get your API key from OpenAI dashboard. Now paste your OpenAI API key and press Ctrl+X and then press Y to save and exit. If you are not using any ARM-based computer, then you can run with the regular docker compose app --build command. As I am using ARM-based system, that's why I am using the second command with a -d to detach the container. Now I am waiting to build the image. Once done, you will see container started. Access your AI agent browser. If you installed on local computer, visit on your local browser http://localhost:7788. Here inside the AI browser, you can keep default settings or you can change. By going to Run Agent tab, you can give your instructions and AI browser agent will do for you whatever you have instructed. You can see here I have given the instructions to go to google.com and search for memnets within double quote YouTube and the channel link. After the instructions, I click submit task to start the task. To see the progress of the given command to the browser agent, you can visit local VNC by http://localhost:6080. The default password for VNC is ubnc password. And after waiting few moments, here we can see that our newly built AI browser agent actually working as per our command. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.